here to perform a role play on CPU. I am Varuni. I will tell you about CPU parts. She is Bhumika. Bhavna. She will tell you about what is CPU. She is Yashika. She will tell you about the history of CPU.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। तो जैसा कि वामी ने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करा दिया है कि मैं आपको किस बारे में बताने वाली हूँ, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले सीपीयू की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है, ये आप सभी जानते हैं कि सीपीयू की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है, तो मैं बता देती हूँ फिर से। सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, जो कि कंप्यूटर का पार्ट होता है। हम सभी जो है इस देश में मशीनों से बड़े संचालित देश के विश्व में रहते हैं। यहाँ पे जो है आप सभी स्मार्टफोन्स यूज करते होंगे। जब भी आप कहीं जाते हैं तो स्मार्टफोन साथ लेके जाते हैं। घर पे आपके पास लैपटॉप भी होगा। यहाँ आप रूम में देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर है, मगर इसमें से केंद्र में से सिर्फ एक को माना गया है मुख्य नायक, वो है सीपीयू। सीपीयू को जो है वो कंप्यूटर का मस्तिष्क भी कहा जाता है, यानी दिमाग। सीपीयू का कार्य क्या होता है? सीपीयू का कार्य होता है जो कंप्यूटर पर आने वाले जो इनपुट और जो निर्देश होते हैं उनको प्रोसेस करना। नेक्स्ट आते हैं एडवांटेज एंड बेनिफिट्स। इसकी लाभ क्या है हमारे पास? जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि कंप्यूटर को जो है सीपीयू को जो है वो कंप्यूटर का जो है वो दिमाग माना जाता है। ये जो है प्रति सेकंड अरबों निर्देशों को जो है वो संसाधित करता है, इसके हल निकालता है, निर्णय लेता है, और जो हमें जो है स्पीचर जुड़ने और सपने दिखाने में सक्षम बनाता है। बाकी का आगे का आपको वारुणी बताएंगे कि सीपीयू के पार्ट्स क्या है।
So the main parts of CPU are ALU, arithmetic logic unit. It is responsible for arithmetic and logical operations in a computer system. So function of arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. The functions of logical operations are and, or, not, or comparison like more than and lesser than, equal to. Number 2, CU, control unit. It does not process or store data, but it directs how to move data and instructions and how instructions are executed. So it is, in simple words, CU is a traffic controller. It tells all the part of the computer what to do and when to do it. Number 3, and memory unit. It is a part of a computer system using for storage. It is a crucial component of CPU. There are 4 types of memory unit. Number 1, primary memory. It is the main memory unit. It includes RAM, ROM. Number 2, secondary memory. It is used for long-term storage. Number 3, session memory. It stores frequently accessed data in a computer. Number 4, register. It stores it temporarily holds the instruction, data, and address during the processing. That's all about the CPU part. Now Yashika will tell you what is the history of CPU.
Good afternoon everyone. As Varuni told that I will tell you about the history of CPU. So let's begin. Do you know the first commercial available microprocessor and therefore a CPU on a single chip was Intel 4004, invented or released in 1971. So let's go back in time to the year 1971. The Intel 4004 invented by a brilliant engineer named Federico Fagin and his team. It was slow, huge, and basic. It could only do simple math and basic calculations. As you know, back then there were no smartphone, no laptop, and computer were huge, the size of a room. It could only do basic maths, and because of that, it got really hot. CPU was made with vacuum tubes and later transistors. Can you believe that the transistor had just 2,300 transistors inside the tiny chip? So let's go back. Now, a miracle. Now the question arises that how was the CPU back then? Back then, CPU was slow, huge, and basic, and computer were huge. CPU was running at just 740 kilohertz, that's thousands of times slower than today's CPUs. There was only one core, no internet, no games, no YouTube, just simple calculations. Now let's come back to today. CPUs have gotten super smart, super powerful, and super fast. CPU is smaller than your fingernail, but has billions of transistors inside the tiny chip. It can perform billions of instructions per second because of that transistors inside the tiny chip. Today's CPUs can run apps, artificial intelligence, games, have multiple cores. That means they can do many things at once. Work in phone, laptop, computer, robots, and even space rockets. CPU is not just the brain of the computer, it's just model of ancient world. It is the orchestra of digital symphonies. So we take it for granted today, but remember that every click, every command you owe to that tiny genius. Thank you, that's all.